Hello viewers, Aslam here from Flex. That's the lecture number 27 of our basic to advanced Go High Level course. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the blog section in a Go High Level. I will explain each step of blog section. For example, how to create blog, how to create categories, how to add blog content, how to do SEO optimization, how to publish and manage your blog post. I will explain all these things. And for example, what is blog in Go High Level, a feature to create or manage your blog post, help with your SEO content and marketing. And same here, go to blog section. I will explain in a practical as well, so that's just a theory. Go to blog section in a Go High Level, click on the create new blog, and I will choose and predefine categories and create custom categories as well. We can do these all things: write engaging content, insert images, videos and links, format text and readability. And also you can add meta description for SEO purpose and relevant keywords you need to add for SEO things, and image optimizations as well. And you can schedule posts for your publishing in the future, add it, deletes, and even you can track performances as well. So let's dive in a Go High Level and I will explain you each and everything with the detail. So let me go to the site. You need to go to the site section, and in site section you see how we have blog section. By the way, all these previous things I have discussed in my previous course video, so you can go to my playlist of Go High Level Basic to Advanced course and you can learn all these things I have explained step by step. And another thing is that you see this is a white label Go High Level that I did with my expertise. If you need anything related Go High Level, simply go to leadsflex.com and you can ask for questions regarding this. I will jump on a call and I will explain each and everything for you. So let's continue with the video. And for now, I just say here we don't have any blog. So what we are going to do, here is a setting section. I just click on the setting section. It will take loads, and you see we need to create author, we need to create categories, and where we have RSS feeds. So first of all, what we are going to do, we will create author here. And for author, I'm just going to create here and we'll say author is a leads flex, and here we will add image for author, and I just select this cute baby and I will put here we are Go High Level expert. I will put all text test. You need to put your all URL here, but right now I'm not going to add URL here. Okay, but you can add your actual URL. I don't have any URL right now, so maybe we have URL. Let's go to the facebook.com, and by the way, there's my Facebook ID. You can reach out to me here and you can ask your questions and your things. Simply I just copy this one and I will go back in this, just put the Facebook and I will say it's a save. So author is created. So in the second part we will create category here, and I just simply say category test post for videos. Again, we need to select about category image. For example, we will say it's a beauty products category. I say test. We need to give slug mean a URL. For example, this is your slug, so we need to give them a URL. I will say what is slug, say test products. You need to add description here. We are going to add free text for testing. Okay, category is also added, but we don't need RSS feed right now. Let me go back, and here what I am going to do, I will create my first blog here. Just simply click on it. We need to give them a title. So for now I just go to the leadsflex.com and I will copy blog here. Okay, let me put this above. I'm going to use this blog for now. The blog thing is looking something dangerous. I just put here, I will select domains. Right now we don't have any domain, and I will add some description. So for now I just going to create this one. So we need to add domain first. Without domain we are not going to create a blog. So let me go back, and I just pause this video and I will show you in the next couple of minutes. So let's start from here. So I just simply create on a blog section, and here we create blog title. Here I have domain link, and I can give you blog slug, and we will say slug is a GoHighLevel, and here what we are going to put description. I think we need to remove these things. This slug is not working. We need to give them a unique slugs. Yes, let's create this one. Let's put blank here, and no. Say no special character. Yeah, it's working here. I simply click on a create. Okay, our blog is created right now. So we need to design our first post. By the way, that's not a post, that's a blog name that we have created. Let's add it, it's a back, and put a nice name on the blog, so you will totally understand what's going on here. So here I've created another blog with the test blog. So what we are going to do here, I just click on it and I will add articles on it. Blog post here, that's a test blog. I just show you how it's look, because we don't have any post here, so we need to create our first post here. And I will put my post title and put my image of post. I would say I will use this one. Need to add all text, need to add description here. Click on a create button, and here we can post our blog here. So I just copy paste here all things and go to here, and I will put it here. And here I have complete detail, and just go back this one. I will add image here. It's a super easy. You see it's an image icon, and you need to insert from, I will choose from media library for now. Going to say insert this one. Okay, and here you can take help from AI as well to write your blog and write your all. You can change your fonts, you can turn your paragraphs, alignments. You can do each and everything here, like you can do other CMS like WordPress, Wix, Shopify. So you have all things here. I just say continue, and in a continue section, here you can see we need to select categories. So for example, I just say GHL1 guide data category. If you have any keywords, you can select here. If you have authors here, so you can add author here. Here we have 3 step: publish, schedule, or save as a draft. So right now I'm going to publish it, and it says you want to change the date or you want to use this date. So I say I'm going to use this date. So that's it. So our first blog published under our test blog. So we will check it how it's look. Good, but it's a bit slow for blogging sections. Yes, we have this user, and with it, this is a content we are going to consume it, and how it's look in a mobile, you can see here. How it's look in a PC, you can see here. So yeah, that's it from blog section. If you need any GoHighLevel services and you want to create your awesome blog design, simply go to leadsflex.com in a Google and book your free consultations, or you can go with my affiliate link. I can give you these all snapshots free of cost, and I will design blogs for you as well. So yeah, and I will do SEO stuff, all things for you. Otherwise you can put your query here as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.